Did you know European eels have rediscovered a long-lost superpower? It sounds like science fiction, but it's true. Scientists have uncovered a fascinating genetic twist that allows these slippery creatures to thrive in diverse aquatic environments. And this is the part most people miss. It all boils down to the evolution of tiny proteins called aquaporins, which act like bouncers controlling what enters and exits their cells. A groundbreaking study from the Institute of Science Tokyo reveals that European eels have regained the ability to transport a wide range of solutes across their cell membranes, a skill their ancestors seemingly lost. But how? The secret lies in gene duplication and mutation, a dynamic duo driving evolutionary innovation. Aquaporins, the membrane proteins responsible for shuttling water and small molecules, have undergone significant changes in the eel's genome. These genetic tweaks don't just happen by chance, they're nature's way of fine-tuning survival tools. Here's where it gets even more intriguing. The researchers found specific mutations in aquaporin genes that enhance permeability, allowing eels to maintain physiological balance in varying water conditions. This isn't just a cool biological quirk, it's a testament to the power of functional diversification through evolution. But here's where it gets controversial. Could this mechanism be a blueprint for understanding how other aquatic species adapt to changing environments? Or is the European eel a unique case? The study not only sheds light on the molecular adaptations of aquatic life but also raises thought-provoking questions about the role of gene duplication in evolutionary success. What other hidden genetic mechanisms might be waiting to be discovered? And how might this knowledge impact conservation efforts for endangered species like the European eel? We want to hear from you. Do you think gene duplication is an underappreciated driver of evolution? Share your thoughts in the comments below. For more mind-bending discoveries, stay tuned to Gene Online News. Powered by Gene Online AI. Source: Go AI NE1. Date: November 14, 2025. Copyright www.geneonline.com. All rights reserved. Collaborate with us, email protected. https://www.geneonline.com/cdn-cgi/l/email-protection #116274677872747F747E7F7D787F74706278703F72. 7E7C